student. Our today's topic is formula for solving quadratic equation. Okay, so previously you have seen completing square method, factorization method to find the solution of the quadratic equation. Now we will see formula method for solving the quadratic equation. So in this method, first of all, whatever will be our equation, we have to write that equation in the standard form. That means ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Okay, that form is the standard form, general form of the quadratic equation. Now after writing that quadratic equation in this form, we have to compare with the values of a. That means we have to find the value of a, b and c. A means coefficient of square term, so we have to find the value of a, find the value of b, and after that we have to write the value of c. Okay, so after writing first we need to write that equation in the form of standard form. After that we have to compare the values and write down these values, and for after that we need to calculate the value of b square minus 4ac. Okay, that means this value we have to find out, b square minus 4ac. Why we need to find that value, you will come to know, because in the formula that value b square minus 4ac is required. So that finally the roots will be equal, finally whatever will be the roots, that is equal to minus b plus or minus under root b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. So this is our formula. Okay, this is our formula for finding the roots, that means to find the solution of the quadratic equation. Now look here, I have written plus or minus b under root b square minus 4ac. That means once we have to write plus, that means we can write x is equal to minus b plus only that sign, plus sign, under root b square minus 4ac divided by 2a, or another, again we have to write x is equal to, now we will write that negative sign, okay, which is below to the positive, that will be minus b minus under root b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. So that x is equal to minus b plus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a, or x is equal to minus b minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. These are the roots, two roots. Okay, these are the roots of the quadratic equation, and that value x we can write as alpha, and that value of another x we can write as a beta, or we can interchange that beta we can write here, or alpha we can write over there. So these are the root of the quadratic equation. So, and this one is our formula, but in the formula we have to find the two values. That is why we have to split our formula in this way, for positive and for negative. Okay, so this is how we have to find the solution of the quadratic equation by formula method. Now we will see some example. So this is our example number 1. M square minus 14m plus 13 is equal to 0. So we have to solve that example by using formula method. Okay, so first this is our example. We will compare with our example with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Okay, this is our standard form. We will compare that example with that standard form with our example. So after comparing, we will get a is equal to, look here, the a value of a will get as a 1, because if you know, we know that if you don't have anything at the square term, that means there is 1. Okay, now we have to find the value of b. So b will be equal to minus 14, and the value of c will be equal to 13. Okay, so here we got the value of a, value of b, and value of c. Now after that we have to find value of b square minus 4ac. That is that value we have to find by simply just substituting all these values. We have to substitute the value of b square, value of b minus 14 bracket square minus 4 multiplication. What is the value of a? Value of a is 1, multiplication value of c is 13, which is equal to, now we know the square of 14, square of 14 is 196, and the square of any negative term will be positive. So 196 minus 4 multiplication 1 into 13. So 13 4s are 52. Okay, so we got 196 minus 52. Okay, So that now we have to do subtraction. So it will be, so we got the value of b square minus 4ac as a 144. Okay. Now we have to use that b square minus 4ac in our formula. And now we know our formula. Our formula is m is equal to, we are taking m here because we have variable m. So m is equal to minus b plus or minus under root b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Okay. Now we have to substitute the values. That is the value of b, that is the value of b square minus 4ac and the value of a over here. So the value of b is minus 14, so that minus sign will be there, minus 14 plus or minus. Now we have to substitute the value of b square minus 4ac and that in the under root side. So value of b square minus 4ac is 144. So it will be 144 inside the under root divided by 2 multiplication. The value of a is 2. So now minus 14, this is a product, that is a multiplication. So minus multiplication, minus will be plus. So it will be plus 14 plus or minus. Now look here, we have under root 144 and 144 square root of 144 is 12. Okay, so we will get 12 divided by 2 multiplication, 1 will be 2. So we got m is equal to 14 plus or minus 12 upon 2. Look here, now we have plus and minus sign. So we will split our formula here. So we will get m is equal to 14 plus 12 upon 2, or m is equal to 14 minus 12 upon 2. Okay. What I have done here, I have splitted that formula because of that plus or minus sign. Okay. So at the one side we have got m is equal to 14 plus 12 upon 2 and the another side we got 14 minus 12 upon 2. Okay, now we have to add them. It will be 26 upon 2 and here we will get 2 upon 2. Okay, now 26 upon 2 will be m is equal to 13 and we will get another value, m is equal to 2 ones are 2. So here m is equal to 13 and m is equal to 1. These are the roots of that quadratic equation. This given quadratic equation by formula method. Okay, therefore 13 and 1 are roots of quadratic equation. Okay, so this is how we have to find we have to solve our quadratic equation by using formula method. So this is our example number 2. X square minus 2x minus 3 is equal to 0. So again we have to find the solution by using our formula method. So comparing with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, we get value of a as a 1, value of b minus 2 and the value of c as a minus 3. Okay, so here we got the value of a, value of b and value of c. Now we will find the value of b square minus 4ac, b square minus 4ac, which is equal to, we have to just simply substitute the values. So minus 2 bracket square minus 4 multiplication, value of a is 1, value of c is minus 3. So square of 2 will be 4 and the square of negative term is positive, we know. Minus 4 multiplication minus 3 will be minus 12. Now 4, that minus sign will go inside and minus minus will become plus. Multiplication of minus minus will become plus 12. So we will get 4 plus 12, 16. So we got the value of b square minus 4ac as 16. Now we substitute in our formula. X is equal to minus b plus or minus under root b square minus 4ac divided by, so x is equal to minus b plus or minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Now we have to substitute the values. The value of b is minus 2 plus or minus under root value of b square minus 4ac is 16. So value of b square minus 418 we got here 4ac which is 16. So we'll simply write this value upon 2 multiplication value of a is 1. So x will be equal to that negative sign multiplication will become plus or minus. Now look here, under root 16 we know the square root of 16 is 4 because if you multiply 4 to the 4 it will become 16. So square root of 16 will be 4 divided by 2 multiplication 1 will be 2 only. So here again we have to split our value of x. So x will be equal to 2 plus 4 upon 2 or x is equal to 2 minus 4 upon 2. Okay. So x will be equal to 2 plus 4 will be 6 upon 2 or x is equal to 2 minus 4. Okay. So 2 is smaller, 4 is bigger, so it will be minus 2 upon 2 3 times. So x will be 3 or x will be minus 1 time. So we got value of x as a 3 and value of x as a, so 3 is value 3 and minus 1 are roots of given quadratic equation. Okay. So this is how we have to solve example. So this is our third example. 25x square plus 30x plus 9 is equal to 0. So again we have to do same. Comparing with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. We will get value of a as a 25, b as a 30 and the value of c will be 9. So we have to find b square minus 4ac which is equal to 30 bracket square minus 4 multiplication a, the value of a is 25 and my value of c is 9. So square of 30 will be 900 minus, if you do multiplication 25 into 4 will be 100, 100 into 9 will be 900. So we got 900 minus 900 0. So here we got b square minus 4ac as a 0. So we will use that value in our formula. So our formula is x is equal to minus b plus or minus under root b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. So x will be equal to, now we have to substitute the values. So value of b is 30 plus or minus, look here, square root of 0 upon 2 multiplication a, value of a is 25. So x will be equal to minus 30 because square root of under root 0 will be 0 only. Okay, divided by so it will be square root of 0 will be 0. So plus 0 upon 50 or x is equal to minus 30 minus 0 upon 50. Okay. So now minus 30 plus 50. So x will be equal to minus 30 upon 50 or x is equal to minus 30 upon 50. Here we will get same values. Look here, x is equal to minus 30 upon 50 and x is equal to minus 30 upon 50 because the second term after plus or minus sign is same. Okay. So the value of that 0 0 will be cancelled on both the sides. So x will be equal to minus 3 upon 5 or x is equal to minus 3 upon 5. Okay. So here both the roots are equal. Okay. So therefore minus 3 by 5 will be the root of the given quadratic equation. So this is our fourth example, x square plus x plus 5 is equal to 0. So again we have to do same. Comparing with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, we will get value of a as a 1, value of b as a 1 and the value of c will be 5. So we have to find b square minus 4ac, which is equal to value of b square will be 1 square minus 4, multiplication value of a is 1, multiplication 1 minus value will be 5. So square of 1 will be 1 minus, now look here, minus minus sign will become plus, and the 4 into 5. So there is a mistake that plus sign will come because the value of c is 5. So only negative sign will be there. 4 into 5 will be 20 only. So 1 minus 20 will be minus 20, minus 19. Okay. Now it is correct. Now we have to substitute that value in our formula. So x is equal to minus b plus or minus under root b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. So x will be equal to minus value of b. Value of b is 1 plus or minus under root. The value of b square minus 4ac is minus 19. Okay. Upon 2 multiplication a. Value of a is 1. So x will be equal to minus 1 plus or minus under root minus 19 upon 2. Look here. Here we have x is equal to minus plus or minus under root minus 19 upon 2. Okay. Look here now. Look here. That term after the plus or minus sign. That minus 19 is a not a real number. Okay. That minus 19 is not a real number. Under root minus 19 is not real number. Because why it is not real number? Because we cannot represent that minus under root square root of minus 19 on the number line. Okay, we cannot represent square root of minus 19 on number line. That is why square root of minus 19 is not real number, and we have that value in our equation. So therefore, the roots are not real. Okay, as because this value is not real, so that root will obviously not be real. Okay, so that will be the solution of the given equation. So that practice at 2.4 will be your homework, and I will send that question in our group. Thank you.